Today, I'm going to share with you the 7 incredible powers of chia seeds that completely changed my health. And I'm not talking about the basic stuff you've probably already heard. These are the deep secrets that ancient civilizations knew, but somehow got lost in our modern world of expensive health solutions. Do you know that feeling of being constantly tired, your stomach feeling like a balloon after every meal, and your skin looking dull no matter what expensive creams you use? I used to live like that every single day. I spent hundreds of dollars on supplements and superfoods that promised miracles, but only brought disappointment, until I discovered something that changed everything. And the craziest thing is, it was right there, in my pantry, costing less than a fancy coffee. Stick with me, because what I'm about to tell you about secret number 5 and bone health, and secret number 7 about lasting energy, is going to totally change how you think about food. Plus, I'll tell you why some folks might rather you never learn this stuff. Let me start with the first big change that saved my gut. The number 1 secret is what I call the gentle internal reset. For years I struggled with bloating and irregular digestion. I tried every probiotic yogurt and fiber supplement on the market. Nothing consistently worked. Then I learned about chia's amazing fiber content. Just 2 tablespoons hold almost 10 grams of fiber. But here's the magical part no one talks about. When chia seeds meet water, they form this amazing gel. Imagine giving your intestines a gentle, soothing massage from the inside. This gel helps move waste through your system naturally, feeds the good bacteria in your gut, and reduces that uncomfortable bloating we all hate. Ancient Mayan warriors used chia for strength and endurance in long battles. They understood something we've forgotten in our rush to buy expensive digestive aids. The second secret has to do with your heart, and this one might surprise you. Everyone talks about expensive salmon for its omega-3 fatty acids, and don't get me wrong, salmon is great. But chia seeds are one of the richest plant sources of alpha-linolenic acid, a crucial type of omega-3. These healthy fats act like natural anti-inflammatory helpers in your body. They help lower blood pressure, reduce harmful triglycerides, and make your cholesterol numbers better. This is where my eyes really opened. I figured out how much I was spending on wild salmon versus how much chia I could buy for the same money. The difference was shocking. I'm not saying to stop eating fish altogether, but why not add this affordable, powerful heart protector to your daily routine? Secret number 3 is a game changer if you struggle with blood sugar spikes. That same gel I mentioned earlier doesn't just help with digestion, it actually slows down how fast sugar enters your bloodstream. No more energy roller coasters, no more crashes after meals. There was a fascinating study published in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition that showed adding chia seeds to white bread reduced the blood sugar response by almost 40%. 40%! Imagine if you could enjoy your favorite foods without your energy levels going crazy afterward. It's like having a built-in blood sugar stabilizer. The 4th secret is perfect for anyone trying to manage their weight without feeling constantly hungry. Chia's fiber and protein combo creates this amazing feeling of fullness that lasts for hours. It's like having a natural appetite suppressant that actually nourishes your body. I used to have these intense afternoon cravings that totally messed up my healthy eating plans. After adding chia to my morning routine, those cravings just vanished. Research shows that people who eat chia consume fewer calories throughout the day and report feeling less hungry between meals. Your body finally gets what it needs, so it stops asking for junk food. Now here's secret number 5, and this one completely changed my perspective on bone health. We've all been told to drink milk for strong bones, right? But here's what they don't tell you. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds provide almost 18% of your daily calcium needs. 18% from tiny little seeds. But even better, chia doesn't just give you calcium. It also provides phosphorus, magnesium, and even boron, a trace mineral that helps your body use calcium and other bone-building nutrients effectively. It's like nature's complete bone health formula in one tiny package. You have to wonder why we only hear about dairy for bone health, don't you? Industry marketing. Before we go on, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Have you tried chia seeds before? What was your experience? Your stories help other people in our community, so please share below. Secret number 6 is all about beauty that comes from within. I used to spend a fortune on anti-aging creams and serums. Then I learned that chia seeds are absolutely loaded with antioxidants. These powerful compounds fight off free radicals, those unstable molecules that damage your cells and speed up aging. Here's something that blew my mind. Chia seeds actually have higher antioxidant activity than blueberries, which are famous for being antioxidant powerhouses. Instead of just treating your skin from the outside, you're giving your body the tools to maintain healthy, glowing skin from within. The seventh and final secret takes us back to those ancient warriors I mentioned earlier. The word chia actually means strength in the Mayan language. These civilizations used chia for sustained energy during long journeys and battles. Modern athletes are rediscovering this ancient wisdom. Unlike energy drinks that give you a quick boost followed by a crash, chia provides constant, sustained energy for hours. The combination of healthy fats, fiber, and protein creates a slow-release energy system that keeps you going without the ups and downs. Here's an extra tip that, honestly, multiplies all these benefits. Always soak your chia seeds before eating them. Just leave them in water, plant-based milk, or whatever liquid you like for a few hours, or, if you can, overnight. This not only creates that beneficial gel texture, but it also makes the nutrients more available for your body and much easier to digest. I want to quickly address a common concern I hear. Some people worry about eating raw chia seeds. In normal amounts, they are completely safe. But soaking them, as I just mentioned, maximizes the benefits and prevents any possible digestive discomfort if you're not used to high-fiber foods. So there you have it, 7 amazing powers hidden in humble chia seeds. Better digestion, heart protection, blood sugar control, natural weight management, stronger bones, glowing skin, and lasting energy. All this from 2 simple tablespoons that actually cost less than most fancy supplements. The real question isn't whether chia seeds are beneficial. The question is, why isn't this information more widely known? Why do we keep looking for expensive and complicated solutions when nature has already provided us with such powerful tools? If this information has opened your eyes like it did mine, please share this video with someone who could benefit from it. Such valuable knowledge deserves to be spread. I've put together some extra resources and links to help you get started on your health journey. This is just the beginning of our journey to naturally reclaim our health. In my next video, I'll be sharing more eye-opening discoveries about everyday foods that can transform your well-being. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of these truly life-changing insights. Trust me, what's coming next will challenge everything you think you know about nutrition. See you there.